Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple lines to a line graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add multiple line to line graph. At first, select multiple data from our sheet. Select this data. Go to the insert menu. Select the line chart or line area chart drop down menu. Now I am select the line chart option. Now we can see here multiple line to this line chart. You can add any line. Now I am select this line chart. We can see here two line. We added multiple line into line chart easily. Now I am select the line chart. Then go to the chart design menu and change the style of the chart. Now I am select this style. You can change the color of the chart line. Now I am select the color. You can change the layout of the chart easily. Select the layout drop down menu and added layout. Otherwise you can add any element like axis title, chart title, data labels, data table, etc. Now we can see we might add multiple line into line chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.